Navigating Istanbul Airport, a guide to transfer services. Istanbul Airport is one of the largest and busiest airports in Turkey, serving millions of passengers each year. Navigating this vast airport can be a daunting task, especially for first-time travelers. One of the key aspects of a smooth transition at Istanbul Airport is utilizing transfer services effectively. Transfer services at Istanbul Airport offer convenient and efficient ways to move between terminals, gates, and even different modes of transportation. From shuttle buses to private transfer options, there are various services available to suit your specific needs. To make the most of your transfer experience at Istanbul Airport, it is essential to plan ahead and familiarize yourself with the available transfer services. Prioritize booking your transfer service in advance to avoid any last-minute hassles. Additionally, keep your travel documents handy and be prepared to follow airport signage to locate your designated transfer point. By utilizing transfer services effectively, you can streamline your journey through Istanbul Airport and enjoy a seamless travel experience. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a stress-free transfer at Istanbul Airport.